Metro Analytics concerns itself on the human side of transportation with what we are protecting, how we can make resilience investments that are most going to protect our economy, our households, and our businesses. So to do this, Metro Analytics has basically put together what we call the network resilience ecosystem. Real resiliency planning means we have to look at the whole resiliency ecosystem from the physical side to the human side. Metro Analytics connects these dots through our understanding of supply chains, the value chain, and the workforce. Another thing that we do in Metro Analytics with resilience that's very important is we look at our hard and soft assets. If you lose access to those on your transportation system, you have a much bigger problem than if you lose access to a softer asset that can be staged. Like, for example, you can hand out food or medicine at a lot of different locations, but the hard assets are things that you must preserve your transportation access to. So doing this, we can identify what we call resilience clusters. These resilience clusters are areas where we can really focus on enhancing infrastructure access, as well as trying to enhance all of the components of resilience to make the supply chain, the value chain, and the occupations better able to handle disruptions. When we start looking at resilience and cascading effects, ultimately we can start to see the reach of different assets and investments. This is basically a simple analysis that shows what are the highway facilities that are needed to safeguard Illinois' access to waterborne commerce on the Mississippi. If we were to lose access to some of these key routes to O'Hare Airport, we would greatly compromise international trade in the United States. We have a similar thing with the Chicago rail yards. So understanding the intermodal linkages to different things in our resiliency network is very important. Metro Analytics, we take resilience far beyond just working up a list of things that we want to enhance that might flood or get damaged. And we really look at how we can invest in things that are going to safeguard everything in the entire economy.